Bubba. We're gonna be next. We're gonna go on the next one. Hey, turn around. Let me see your backpack that you packed for the trip. Oh, I got your chicken. And you got your hood. Hey guys, welcome back to Limabean Living. We are doing a fun little spur of the moment trip on a train down to San Diego, and I thought I could bring you guys along. So tell us why you chose this trip, Juan.
So we can see the Pacific Coast Highway.
Pacific Coast Highway?
Yeah, to get that scenic view.
Nice. Aubrey, what are you most excited about, sweetie? Aubrey, what are you most excited about for this trip? You think you're gonna lose your tooth?
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Whoa, I even see the new one coming in. Yeah, Bubba, it's our turn. So because Juan is in the military, we get to be in business class and get little snacks on this train.
Oh, that's Papa, Daddy.
Juan, are we driving right by like where we went on vacation?
Yeah.
Bobby, there was a bad shark in the
Oh,
ocean.
we were probably there last year. Do you remember?
A bad cotton ocean. Not cotton down. A bad cotton ocean.
Yeah.
But it's far away.
Oh, this is exactly where we were. Right here.
I know, that's why I was like, this parking lot, everything looks so similar.
This is actually,
Like we're gonna pass right by the house.
yeah, this is exactly right there. That one.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Aubrey, there's a Christmas tree out there on the pier. So silly. Somewhere there's a home. Where did it go?
I see kind of bored.
Do you want your table down? Okay.
We'll give it to Mom, okay?
Show me, Aubrey.
Don't lose it. Okay, hold on tight.
My favorite tooth. Bubby, what's outside in the water?
That big car.
A big shark?
And there a guy until go for the boo boo.
Mmm.
No, that big car.
Uh-huh.
And that big fish.
Big fish and big sharks.
No, that fish.
Oh, a little fish?
Linda, I need to.
No, we're not going under the chair. Do you want to sit by Daddy? Do you want to sit by Daddy or Mommy?
By Daddy.
Okay. So we finally got to our destination. We actually got off the train at the wrong stop. So Juan had to figure out how we were going to get where we needed to be because we have to board the train at that location. So we jumped on like a little metro link or something like that just for a short while and finally made it to our destination. Now we're just following Juan to see where he wants to go. Aubrey, what's your favorite part so far? Losing your tooth? That is pretty memorable. Those are really cool lights. I have a feeling we're gonna go somewhere over there, but we'll see. Looks like I was right. I've never seen a more patriotic Christmas tree before. Bubba, pay attention where you're flying. Bubba, smile at Mommy.
There, do this one, Bubba. Look. Oh. Oh.
Okay, so we stopped at,
What was this place called again?
okay, so we stopped at Portside Coffee and Gelato. I got a white mocha. Juan got sparkling mango passion fruit. And we got some mint chocolate chip gelato. Is it yummy, Aubrey? I'll take that as a yes. Bubby, are you enjoying your pomegranate seeds? So the coffee was good, the gelato was yummy, and now we are just making our way to a little playground nearby before heading back to the train. Said, I'm gonna do it again, Aubrey.
That hurt.
Aubrey, show me what Daddy looks like. So overall, we had a really great train ride home. We enjoyed being able to sit at these little tables where you could face each other on the way home. In the morning, unfortunately, all of them were taken, so this was a little treat, being able to face each other and enjoy the cute little snack boxes that were included with our business class tickets. We ended up getting to our car safe and sound and, made it home as well. Aubrey mentioned one of her favorite parts of the day, oddly enough, was just losing her tooth. It was a very memorable way to lose, in my opinion, my favorite tooth of hers. But anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new, I would love it if you stick around and subscribe and check out all of my motherhood content. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you in the next one. You've made it to the end of the video. If you didn't know already, every Monday and Friday, you can find motherhood and lifestyle content on this channel. And since us moms have to do it all, that may mean yummy recipes, easy DIYs, mom hacks, cleaning and organization, or just a combo of everything. Please know that you are loved and you are made for greatness, and I will catch you in the next one.